Hi friends, good morning. Next VSQ video from our series, that is Dhruva Entertainment and Video classes. This question from Intermediate Second Year Geology from Unit 2A friends. What is our question friends? What is meant by double circulation? What is its significance? Friends, this is basic question. Being a biology student, being a geology student, you must know what is double circulation. Okay, but you know circulation is of two types, friends. One is single circulation, another one is double circulation. Double circulation is of two types, friends. Incomplete double circulation, complete double circulation. Friends, single circulation is present in fishes. Double circulation is of two types, incomplete and complete double circulation. Incomplete double circulation is present in amphibians and reptiles, whereas complete double circulation is present in birds and mammals. Once again friends, this is for NEET and EAMCET. Single circulation is present in fishes. Incomplete double circulation is present in amphibians and reptiles. Complete double circulation is present in birds and mammals. Now come to our question friends. What is meant by double circulation and what is its significance? Friends, double circulation ante emiti, dani pramukyata emiti? Friends, come to our definition friends. It is a circulation in which blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation. Friends, here you have to remember this word. Blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation. Once again friends, it is a circulation in which blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation. ఒక సర్క్యులేషన్లో హృదయం నుండి రక్తం 2 సార్లు ప్రవహించబడినట్లయితే దాన్ని మనం డబుల్ సర్క్యులేషన్ లేదా ద్విరక్త ప్రసరణ అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఒక ప్రసరణలో రక్తం 2 సార్లు గుండెని ప్రవహించాలి ఫ్రెండ్స్, గుండెలోకి ప్రవేశించాలి ఫ్రెండ్స్, దాన్ని మనం ద్విరక్త ప్రసరణ లేదా డబుల్ సర్క్యులేషన్ అంటాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. వన్ సెకండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సర్క్యులేషన్ ఆర్ ఇన్ దిస్ డబుల్ సర్క్యులేషన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, బ్లడ్ passes through the heart twice in a circulation. It is important. Blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation is called double circulation. Blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation is called double circulation. See friends, this double circulation has two systems friends. One is pulmonary circulation and the one is systemic circulation. Friends, whenever you hear the word pulmonary, you have to recall the lungs. What is pulmonary circulation? Circulation of blood from heart to lungs, lungs to heart. You know friends, from various body parts, blood enters into the right atrium, that is deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood enters into the right ventricle. From right ventricle, it reaches the lungs. There purification takes place. From there it enters into the left atrium. So what is pulmonary circulation? Circulation of blood between heart and lungs is called as pulmonary circulation. Now come to second one friends, systemic. Whenever you hear the word systemic, you have to recall the body parts. Systemic circulation means it is circulation between heart and body parts and body parts and heart. Okay friends, pulmonary circulation means between heart and lungs. Systemic circulation means between body parts and heart. So double circulation has two parts. It consists of two systems. One is pulmonary circulation and the one is systemic circulation. See friends, what is the significance of the double circulation? It prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood friends. That is important. For example, you see the single circulation friends. In fishes, Only impure blood or deoxygenated blood flows in the from the heart of fishes. Come to the amphibians, friends. Amphibians and reptiles have incomplete double circulation. Amphibians have only one ventricle. There the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood takes place. Come to the reptile, friends. They have incompletely divided ventricle. There also mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood takes place. But whereas in double circulation, that is in birds and mammals, what happens? It prevents. They have completely divided four-chambered heart. So it prevents the mixing of oxygenated blood, that is pure blood, and deoxygenated blood, that is carboxylated blood or impure blood. Next, friends. Next significance, it allows a more efficient supply of oxygen to the body cells. Due to this, what happens? Due to prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, cells receive efficient supply of oxygen to the body cells. Cells receive oxygen, friends, efficient oxygen. Okay, friends. Once again, friends, what is the significance of the double circulation? It prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. It prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Second one, friends, it allows a more efficient supply of oxygen. More efficient supply of oxygen to the cells. Okay, friends. Now see here, friends. Here this is double circulation. See, friends. Here this is a heart. You see, from body parts, the impure blood is reaching to the right atrium to the right ventricle to the lungs, friends. Here purification is taking place. Next, pure blood enters into the left atrium, left ventricle to the body parts. See, for example, you start here, friends, and you have to conclude here. Here, how many times it is entering into the heart? Twice, friends. From the impure blood is entering into the heart. Next, pure blood is entering into the heart. So, in a circulation, the blood is entering to the heart twice, friends. That is called as what? Double circulation. Double circulation. Once again, friends, what is our definition? It is a circulation in which the blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation. Blood passes through the twice in a circulation is called double circulation. Okay, friends, that is about our question. Thank you. Good day, friends.